I want to teach you how to make a blood sugar friendly akara. Yes, so an akara that will not spike your blood sugar. Before we get into the video, you want to give it a like right now and share within your circle, especially among Nigerians who would benefit from it. Okay, so the mistake a lot of people make, especially diabetics, is that when they want to make akara, they will peel the back of the beans. Why are you doing so? You are losing a major nutrient when you do so. You can see my own in this video that I have not peeled my beans at all. I just washed it, added an egg. So the egg is optional. You may decide to add that or not. And I went ahead to blend. That the fact that I didn't peel the beans does not make it to change color. Some will say, oh, if you don't peel your beans, it will be black, it will be this. You can see the color now. It's still like the normal akara or close to normal if you ask me. So what happens when you peel the back of the beans is that you are losing a lot of fiber in the process. Did you know that the back of the beans contains dietary fiber? And as I've said it a number of times, a lot of times on this channel, that fiber is very important in your diet as a diabetic, as someone who is trying to control blood sugar, because it is what acts like a sponge. It is that fiber that absorbs, that slows down the rate of sugar absorption. It is that fiber that ensures that your food digests slowly. It is that fiber that prevents that sharp and fast spike in your blood sugar when you eat any food that contains starch, be it simple starch, be it complex carbohydrates. And one thing again, you see this pan I'm using, this masa pan, oh my goodness, it's a blessing, it's a real blessing. So for you to get this kind, to make this kind of blood sugar friendly akara, I advise that you get yours. This masa pan, get it for this purpose and be using it to make your akara. If you are unable to lay your hands on this masa pan, you can also use this type of pan as well. So I have both and I use it interchangeably. But today I decided to use the masa pan. Now in each of the hole, I drop just 1 teaspoon of olive oil in each of the pan. Can you see how I'll be able to save oil, to save myself from saturated fats that I would have gotten from a lot of seed oil like soybean oil, canola oil, if I was deep frying my akara. So this akara is blood sugar friendly. Number one, it retains its fiber and it doesn't contain saturated fats, and the oil content you will be taking, you will be eating when you eat this akara is very, very minimal. Imagine just a ball of this akara will give you, in it you have just taken just a teaspoon of oil. So if you are even eating 3 balls, that means in the whole of 3 balls, all the oil content you are ingesting, you are eating, is just a tablespoon. Now can you imagine what would have been the oil content if you had deep fried it? So number one, this akara is blood sugar friendly, it is low in oil, it is healthy, it even helps you save calories, especially if you are the type that is trying to control your weight as a diabetic. So tell me, are you going to try this akara? In fact, it's not even a matter of question. You should try this akara at home and write in the comments how it goes when you do that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. See you in my next one.